Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the GBPUSD analysis for the coming week. I hope you all had a great week last week. As price was ranging throughout the week and giving us opportunity to both buy and sell. So I hope you're able to capitalize on those opportunities. Um, so from the weekly time frame, as we can see, price has formed this massive indecision candle. And this just mere looking at this candle will tell you that the price was ranging throughout this past week, and there was no clear winner during the past week. So let's go to the daily time frame. Um, on the daily time frame, we can see that price is still ranging between the 1.42 level and 1.41 level. Price was not able to close above those levels, and we're still in a range. So, and this range provided us an opportunity to enter the market multiple times, as we can see. So I was able to capitalize on this opportunity last week. I'm taking two trades on GBPUSD. One of them gave me about 88 pips, and the other one gave me about 80 pips. So I was able to gain at least 120 pips from GBPUSD last week. I'm just going to take you through the trade that I entered and why I entered those trades before I give you my predictions for the coming week. So when this candle formed last week and broke above this level, I'm sure some traders would want quickly enter this trade thinking that okay, this resistance level has been broken. I'm going to enter to take my trade to the upside. But I always say when there is a break, always wait for the retest. Sometimes there's no retest and price just continues to move. No problem at all. You look for another opportunity because the reason why we wait for a retest is to avoid fake outs, and which is what we've seen over here. So once this candle forms, I waited for the next candle to form to see if there will be a massive move or how the candle is going to close. And unfortunately, the candle closed in a bearish signal, which is this shooting star over here, or a bearish pin bar. And the candle that followed this bearish pin bar was this strong bearish move back down into the range, forming these three candlestick over here formed the evening star. And once this evening star formed, I was able to enter my trade, put my stop loss just above this candle, and take the trade back down, giving me 88 pips. Okay, and when we got back down to this resistance level, we can see that price ranged a bit in this level, and once price was able to break that range and close above it, let's look at the 1 hour chart. I think we'll see clearly there. Yeah, so if you look at the 1 hour charts, you can see this range over here. um Price was able to break this range. Okay, so once price formed this massive bullish candle but did not close above the range, I waited for the next candle to break and close above it, which is what happened, and that's why I entered the trade to the upside. So that's how I took my trade last week. For this coming week, price is still ranging. As you can see, price got to the 1.42 level and immediately reversed back down and heading towards the 1.41 level. So I don't always advise to trade the range if you're not an experienced trader. I would wait for a break above these two levels. So if there's a break above the 1.41 level, so you wait for a break and a retest of that level. Okay, so a break of this level, wait for a retest before entering the market to the upside. So you have to wait for a bullish confirmation here before you buy the market, and you also need to wait for a break here, possibly a retest of this level, right, before taking it back down to this level or to this level over here. Okay, so my prediction for GBPJPY for next week is to wait for a break either above or below this level. A break below the 1.41 level will mean a continuation to the downside, possibly getting to this trend line before forming a bullish signal to take us up, or breaking it and getting down to the 1.41 level before either going up or continuing also to the downside. So I would say whatever you're doing next week, if there's a break below this level, you can take a trade down to this trend line here or to this and take your profit and see how price reacts to this level before you know where to go next. Or you wait for a break above this level and see and wait for maybe a bullish signal before taking price to the 1.43 level. Okay, so that's my bias for GBP USD. Is to wait and see how price reacts. I don't always advise to trade the range, but if you can, then you can as well do it and earn some profits. That way, just make sure that you make sure your risk management is on point. All right. So this is my analysis for GBP USD for the coming week. And if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.